Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how I turn this blank fabric into this printed fabric. Not only do I enjoy sewing my own swimwear, but I also love turning cute digital designs into fabric. In this tutorial I will show you how I do both. I am the designer and only seamstress for my swimwear brand MCNY Swim. I knew that I wanted to create a patriotic themed bikini that I can wear on the 4th of July. So I went to one of my favorite websites, creativefabrica.com, and searched patriotic watercolor. I love the watercolor look on fabrics, so that is why I added that into the search. Once I found a digital design that I liked, I clicked on it and downloaded it. Commercial usage is allowed with this digital file. So if I wanted to use the fabric that I create to sell on my website, I can do that as well. Then I take the images that I downloaded and I import them into Inkscape. Inkscape is a free design tool. It is kind of like Photoshop, but easier to use. It does not have as many tools as Photoshop, but for simple designs, it does the job. Once I size the image to 13 inches by 19 inches, because that is the print size of my Sublimation printer, I then print out the digital images onto Sublimation paper. After I have printed out the design, I take my fabric pieces that I cut out of the blank white fabric and tape them to the sublimation paper. Next, I take the paper with the fabric attached over to my heat press and press the paper and fabric for 2 minutes with my heat press set at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This is how all of the pieces of my bikini came out after I printed the design onto each cutout. For the next step, I used printed fabric as a template and cut out the lining pieces for the bikini. Now that I have both my printed fabric and my lining pieces all cut out, I pin the areas that I am going to sew. For the top, I pin the sides. For the bottom, I pin the side and the gusset. Then I take all the pieces over to my sewing machine. I am going to use a serger to sew these pieces together. If you do not have a serger, you can use a zigzag stitch on a regular sewing machine. Here you will see me sewing the bikini together and adding elastic to the fabric. Now I am adding the straps to the bikini tops and sewing them in place. Next, I fold over the fabric and clip it down. I then sew where I place the clips. This is where the bust straps will go through. This is called a strap channel. We are almost done. Here I am placing the under bust straps into the bikini top using my loop turner. Once this step is complete, this bikini is ready to go on my mannequin for viewing. And there she is. That is how to turn blank fabric into a custom printed bikini. If you have any questions or if you would like a more in-depth tutorial on how I sew each piece, watch some of my other videos and subscribe. I will be uploading videos each week on sewing and providing tutorials all about sewing. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to see more videos like this. The more subscribers I get, the more content like this I will create. See you in the next one, guys.